Well, yeah, looking a little different now. Time to go over a few things because me and Nick just wanted to get a bunch of shit done so we could go for a quick test drive to see if this is something worth continuing, and it is. So that's good for you guys if you're stoked on this build like us. So a couple things you might be seeing is this big stupid piece of square. It's not stupid, I do like it. It's not going to be all the way up like that. It's going to have a knob on it and stuff, but that, you twist that, and then this other knob is your reverse, neutral, and then forward to go forward. This is the brake lever. It works very well. So these tires are 18-inch by 9.5 on 8-inch rims, and the rear are 26 by 9, or no, by 8 by 12, sorry. 26 8 by 12s. The fronts are pretty big, but holy fuck, she flexes awesome. So some stuff I'm working on now is getting a tube frame going on the back. So thank God I just got that Rogue Fab tube bender, because I'm going to need that. So I'm going to be building a plate off the rear that comes up, goes around, and you guys will see how it goes. But this build's really sweet, and it's the hydrostatic, and it's awesome. Alright, I'm going to keep pegging away. I know you guys are excited to see how this comes along. Me and Nick got huge plans for this shit. You guys have no idea, like literally no idea, and that's why we're so fucking hyped about it. So it's going to be a while, but stay tuned, people, because it's worth it. Alright, so we got the back end seat pan pulled off. There you go. What's that look like? Shit ton of springs. So we got 4 seat springs all welded onto the pan, and then I'm going to bolt that through this plate and allow the back pan to oscillate, and then I'm going to build tube work around that, and you'll see how that looks afterwards. But hopefully this works out good, because I feel like that if it does, that'll be super comfortable drive. Decent. Alright, so we're working on the spring seat setup. Come forward again so you guys can see some tubes been laid in. A little bit of square stock in here as well, and I got the 5th spring because I was going blah, 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 but it's all springy with only just the rear spring. So with the 5th spring, that will also be bolted in, and this will be a full spring ride suspension, which is decent. But so this is how I'm going to be doing it. I got to fully weld everything again, and then this all can actually be unbolted, and the back frame will be able to unbolt off of the stock frame, I guess you could say. And then we got Tony over here. Big Toes working on the grill. Throwing this light bar in here, like so. Look at that fucking cuts. Nice job there, Toe. Toe's gonna keep working on that, and I'm gonna keep welding this crap together. And we'll show you guys some progress here in a bit. Once I get the seat all bolted on, Toe gets the grill painted up. But quick tip I'd like to give you guys is if you're looking to make tubes the same angle, I would get a digital angle finder. You can get them on Amazon. This one I got off Rogue Fab, and that one's set to 5.3 or 50.37, and you can see those tubes are identical because I was able to put this on this guy, but you can see nice and straight. So I'd suggest picking up one of those guys if you're going to start working with some tube, because they're very handy. As you can see by this big dirty mess, I've been giving her shit, which is good but bad because I need to spend some time and clean up my workspace. But today just went and got my gas filled up because it ran out, so I can start doing some more welding. And we're going to be using this beautiful machinery, beautiful work of art by Rogue Fab team there. Super sick. I can't believe how easy it bends tube. Just not used to having any kind of actual nice tools. I'm just joking, I had a couple ones, but still, I can't believe having the tube notcher helps out big time. So I'll be notching out some tubes soon here. I already actually have notched out those bottom ones here. And I also, as you guys can see, so that will wrap around and get tied into the subframe there. And then I made this 5th spring mount, so now we can get lots of side skirt going. Has lots of flex. I'll show you guys a better clip of that later though. But you can kind of see the tube work that's been going down. Like I said, this thing's gonna be beastie. We got Tony in, he did some paint work and we had him on the tools. He got me this light mocked up. That's all I'm gonna give you. You can see that too, but you'll see it as a whole soon. It looks pretty rowdy. But I'm just gonna keep going here. Probably gonna do a good cleanup. And then just continue on this tube work and whatnot. Woo! That's a satisfying feeling. I hate when that shit goes low. Cause yeah, then I'm not welding and that's no fun. So I'm glad I got that filled up. Let's get back to fucking doing some tube. Decent. Man, that's fucking smooth. That's awesome. Yep. That's fucking decent. Oh, we could put a little bit more in it. We could put a little more in her. So again, another place where you're able to use your digital angle finder is if you want to make your tube notch level, sticker on, sticker on, and you start going until you hit your 0 mark. Spray it up, of course, and then fuck, don't forget to have your drill plugged in. That's just embarrassing. Nice, beautifully notched tube. Oh, magnifique. So, I know that's not sitting there perfect yet, but that will get put on there nice and perfect. Sorry, that dropped out there, but boom. Isn't that fucking sweet? Damn! Sure is nice having the right tools for once. Thanks, boys. You know who we are. Well, what do you think? Yeah, I know. I'm loving the way all the tubes coming along. You can see I got my old aluminum sign collection I'm starting to use. We get those from the scrapyard. Don't gotta bother asking. We don't steal them. We get them from our scrapyard. They've already been fucked with, so don't worry about it. Anyways, getting back, got the tube in. I'm just working on, I'm going to be filling in some areas, doing in some little metal gussets, but damn, I'm really happy with that unit right there and that unit right there. So I'm just working on my little Canadian cup holder here. I'm going to build a little storage box right here, fix the shifter levers and stuff, but it's coming together nice. I'm really liking it. Alright, so I'm working on the front bumper, but figured I'd go over a couple other things beforehand. I've been getting some filler sheet metal work in here. So you can see those two sheets and then the inside triangle sheets. Alright, so you can see the tie rod setup, just a straight tie rod. And then the steer arm's nice and straight as well. And I came in and I redid the spindles, or welded them solid. So I added some gusset in there, you can see. And that's just to fill it in so it can't bend or anything. I suggest that. So, sorry, get in there nice. So I suggest doing some kind of filler in there, you can see. Looks good. All right, so with this winch plate, I got 2 frame mounts that go down here, and then I have one that goes through the cast iron, or whatever this is made out of, cast something, and that's bolted to the frame itself. So 3 points of contact, not too worried about it. And I got my winch here, and the front bumper I made, which turned out really cool. Really sweet unit. So that gets bolted on those 2 holes on either side, and then the 2 bottom holes on the 2 bottom holes on the bottom. So I'm gonna bolt the winch up, I'll show you what that looks like, and then I'll put the bumper on and I'll show you what that looks like to go with the tube setup on this. I've been really loving doing the tube work. I love working with it. Oh, you might also see I got some circles here now. Those used to be squares. So what the hell's going on there? You guys are about to see soon. Stick tuned.